Page 167, Unit 10, Lesson 3. We couldn't live without satellite technology. Since the late 20th century, we have used satellite technology for many of the things we do every day. Our lives would be very different without it. Here are some of the things that we use satellite for. GPS. Before satellite were invented, people had always used map to find their way. Now most people use GPS, which uses a system of satellites that work together. This send signals to a receiver on the earth, which work out where you are. We have GPS in cars, on phone, and even in some modern motorbike helmets. Weather report. Satellites allow us to study the weather all around the world. They send photos of the earth from space. When these are put together, they show how cold and storms are moving. TV and the internet. Lots of people have satellite TV so that they can watch their favorite show and sports matches. The signal goes to the receiver on the house. In some area, satellite send signals to the internet too. Mobile phones. Have you ever had a problem using your phone because the signal is bad? Satellite phone can work anywhere in the world. They are very useful in places far from cities, such as on mountain or in the desert. Lesson 3. Listen to podcast and check your answer to the exercise 6. Satellites have changed the way that we do a lot of things on Earth. But did you know space technology is also used to make many of objects we use every day? In fact, around 50 new products are invented every year using space technology. Here are some of the ones you might use. Narrator 1 trainer. In the 1970s, space scientists invented a new type of helmet. The material inside the helmet contained small bags of air, which made the helmet more comfortable and protected the astronaut better. A few years later, one of the scientists had the idea of using the same type of airbags in the trainer. Many modern trainer now use this design. Narrator to mobile phone cameras. In 1990, space scientists invented a new sensor that allows scientists to make photos in space without using much energy. This technology is now used in cameras in our mobile phones. Narrator 3 wireless headphone. It's important for astronauts to be able to communicate with their team on the Earth. Before the 1960s, headphones were big and uncomfortable, so space scientists designed light wireless headphones that astronauts could speak into without using their hands. Neil Armstrong spoke through wireless headphones when he first stepped onto the moon. Narrator 4 sunglasses. In 1980, scientists were working on a way to protect astronauts' eyes in space. They read that eyes of some birds have special oil that protect them from light and help them to see more clearly. The scientists designed a lens that could do the same thing. Today, this type of lens is used in sunglasses. Narrator 5 clear braces. People have wanted perfect teeth since ancient times. Did you know that the ancient Egyptians had used the inside of sheep to make braces for teeth? In more modern times, braces were made from metal, and then in the 1986, the first clear braces were created. They used a special kind of plastic that is strong even when it's very thin. It was created to protect equipment on trips into space. Lesson 3 Farouk el-Baz. Scientists had done a lot of research before the first person walked on the moon. In 1969, and one of the most important scientists was Farouk el-Baz. He helped to plan where Apollo 11 should land on the moon. Farouk also taught astronauts which rock to take from the moon on later visits. After studying the moon, Farouk started studying desert in the earth. He used satellite to find rivers that were under the sand, and this work has helped Egypt and other countries to find new water.